This evening I will be attempting to freestyle my CHIMERA 7-inch long-range quadcopter, the 1300 kV edition, so not the freestyle version. Basically stock out the box, stock tuning. All I've done is converted it from an analog to a digital, but yeah, apart from that, we'll see how well it responds and maneuvers with a bit of stick. See how it goes. So for today's experiment, I'm using a 6S LiPo battery pack consisting of 3300 milliamps. And to start off with, I'm going to just see how fast this accelerates. Not too bad, not too bad. Considering it's 1500 grams, that's 1.5 kilos. That's a lot of weight to try and push. So yeah, not too bad. But yeah, it's definitely no 5-inch quad, as to be expected. So here we can see the tuning. It's, you know, it's not bad. I usually run things way more snappy, but I've kept this all just factory, just predictable, reliable for the longer range missions. Here we can see as I accelerate, pulling out of a dive or out of a split S, you can see I really have to get on the throttle a lot earlier. Right now, yep. So it's a lot more docile, a lot less lift, obviously, given the weight and the motor output. Just doesn't want to pull up that quick. Also here, I'm just trying to see how well I can skim down the side of the trees. However, it is super gusty and the wind keeps blowing me into the trees. Obviously, you don't want to get stuck there. But yeah, we can see here that it's actually pretty good, And you know, for the record, I wouldn't really ever use this for freestyle, because you want to keep your long-range machines free from crashes. Because as soon as you start crashing things, you have you know, higher chances of problems developing and less reliability. So yeah. So my conclusion. Can it freestyle? Yes. Would I use it for freestyle? No. Just keep it for its intended job, which is going long range missions. There we have it.